Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure the remote PC has both displays connected and that the remote client supports multiple monitors. Once done, open the remote client and enable the multi-monitor option. This tells the session to span screens. Make sure display drivers on the host are up to date so the OS reports both monitors. Then connect to the remote machine. Do not skip enabling multi-monitor in the client UI, since that is what allows the session to map to your local screens. Once connected, you refine the layout. On the host, open display settings and arrange monitors to match your physical setup. This step determines where windows move when you drag them. Make sure resolutions and scaling are compatible. If one monitor uses high DPI scaling, adjust so text and UI scale correctly. In your remote client, confirm whether it spans all monitors or maps specific ID. Changing that setting forces the session to respect the host arrangement. This is where alignment finish by testing. Drag apps across both screens, open full screen video on each, and validate taskbar behavior. If you encounter a single monitor session, disconnect and toggle the client multi-monitor option, then reconnect. Often that forces proper mapping. Make sure GPU/display drivers are current on the host and update the remote client on your local machine. If problems persist, try an alternate remote client or use the host's screen mirroring tools. This typically isolates whether the issue is client or host side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.